Hello mga kalamyerda! Eto guys, meron ako ipapakilala sa inyo. Ito yung mga different delicacies from Vietnam. This is the kamote. Sobrang lutong guys. And this is their cashew nuts na sobrang roasted. Ang sarap ng pagkakaluto. And this one, I think ito yung rice snacks nila. So, yan, naka-box pa siya. And then this one, something sweet with sesame seeds. And this is their sweet dried mango. Of course, yummy! Let's try this Kim Tan Hoa. Sa lahat ng natikman ko, ito yung mas nagustuhan ko, guys. Yung crunchiness niya, ang sarap. Super yummy. So try all this when you're in Vietnam. Thank you for watching.